हेलो प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट्स A to Z वर्ड्स विद मैनी एग्जांपल्स। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी पढ़ाई। लेकिन उससे पहले अगर अभी तक नहीं किया है चैनल को सब्सक्राइब तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन करके ऑल को सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए ताकि वीडियो पहुंच सके सबसे पहले आपके पास। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये है A फॉर एवोकाडो। AVOCADO एवोकाडो। ये है इनके कुछ और एग्जाम्पल, तो चलिए इन्हें भी सीख लेते हैं। ये है A फॉर एप्पल। APPLE एप्पल। इस लाइन में पहला है A फॉर एलिगेटर। ALLIGATOR एलिगेटर। नेक्स्ट इज A फॉर एंकर। ANCHOR एंकर। नेक्स्ट इज A फॉर आंट। ANT aunt. In this row, first is A for astronaut. ASTRONAUT astronaut. Next is A for aeroplane. AEROPLANE aeroplane. Next is B for bear. BEAR bear. This is more example of alphabet B. First is B for balloon. BALLON balloon. This is B for bee. BEE. You know this is honey bee. This is C for cow. COW cow. These are more example of alphabet C. This is C for cat. CAT cat. Next is C for carrot. CARROT carrot. This is D for deer. DEER deer. Look at this. These are more example of alphabet D. This is D for drum. DRUM drum. Next is D for dog. DOG dog. This is D for dove. DOVE dove. Our next alphabet is E. E for elephant. ELEPHANT elephant. These are more example of alphabet E. First is E for eye. EYE. Next is E for egg. EGG egg. This alphabet is F. F for fox. FOX fox. These are more example of alphabet F. F for frog. FROG frog. F for fish. FISH fish. This alphabet is G. G for grape. GRAPE grape. These are more example of alphabet G. In this row, G for grasshopper. GRASSHOPPER grasshopper. Next is G for girl. GIRL girl. This alphabet is H. H for hippo. HIPPO hippo. These are more example of alphabet H. First example is H for heart. HEART heart. This is H for hat. HAT hat. In this row, there H for hand. HAND hand. This is H for helicopter. HELICOPTER helicopter. In this row, first is H for hamburger. HAMBURGER hamburger. Next is H for house. HOUSE house. Our next alphabet is I. I for iguana. AGUANA iguana. These are more example of alphabet I. First is I for EV. EVY. Next in this row, first is ice. I for ice. ICE ice. Next is I for insect. INSECT insect. In this row, first is ice cream. ICECREAM ice cream. Next is I for ink. INK ink. Our next alphabet is J. J for jaguar. JAGUAR jaguar. These are more example of alphabet J. In this row, first is J for jam. JAM jam. Next is J for jellyfish. JELLYFISH jellyfish. Our next alphabet is K. K for kangaroo. KANGAROO kangaroo. These are more example of alphabet K. This is K for key. KEY key. This is K for kick. K-I-C-K, kick. This is K for Kookaburra. K-O-O-K-A-B-U-R-R-A, Kookaburra. Our next alphabet is L. L for lion. L-I-O-N, lion. These are more examples of alphabet L. This is L for leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Next is L for lantern. L-A-N-T-E-R-N, lantern. Next is L for light bulb. L-I-G-H-T, light. B-U-L-B, bulb, light bulb. This is L for lizard. L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. Our next alphabet is M. M for mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. These are more examples of alphabet M. Our first example is M for moon. M-O-O-N, moon. In this row, first is M for Merlin. M-A-R-L-I-N, Merlin. Next is M for microscope. M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-E, microscope. In this row, first is M for mailbox. M-A-I-L-B-O-X, mailbox. Next is M for motorcycle. M-O-T-O-R-C-Y-C-L-E, motorcycle. Our next alphabet is N. N for numbat. N-U-M-B-A-T, numbat. These are more examples of alphabet N. First is N for nest. N-E-S-T, nest. In this row, first is nun. N-U-N, nun. And next is N for nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Okay, this is our next alphabet. O. O for owl. O-W-L, owl. These are more examples of alphabet N. Let's see it. In this row, first is O for octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Next is O for orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Okay, let's go our next word. Our next word is P. P for potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Okay, these are more examples of alphabet P. Look at this. This is planet. P for planet. P-L-A-N-E-T, planet. This is pills. P for pills. P-I-L-L-S, pills. Now, where is P for pencil? P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. And there is P for platypus. P-L-A-T-Y-P-U-S, platypus. And last is where? P for penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. And this is our next word. Q. Q for quail. Q-U-A-I-L, quail. These are more examples of alphabet Q. This is Q for quail. Q-U-I-L-L, quail. This is Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. This is our next alphabet R. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. These are more examples of alphabet R. This is R for rose. R-O-S-E, rose. This is R for raspberry. R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y, raspberry. This is our next alphabet S. S for sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Okay, these are more examples of alphabet S. This is S for swan. S-W-A-N, swan. Where is S for stump? S-T-U-M-P, stump. There is S for soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R, soldier. And next is S for scorpion. S-C-O-R-P-I-O-N, scorpion. In this row, next is S for spade. S-P-A-T-E, spade. And last is S for satellite. S-A-T-E-L-L-I-T-E, satellite. This is T for turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. These are more examples of alphabet T. Our first example is T for telescope. T-E-L-E-S-C-O-P-E, telescope. This is T for tennis ball. TENNIS tennis. BALL ball tennis ball. Where is T for truck? TRUCK truck. This is T for tractor. TRACTOR tractor. And this row first is T for tiger. TIGER tiger. And last is T for tuna. TUNA tuna. Our next alphabet is U. U for unicorn. UNICORN unicorn. These are more example of alphabet Q. First is U for umbrella. UMBRELLA umbrella. Next is U for utensil. UTENSIL utensil. In this row, first is U for U-turn. UTURN U-turn. Last is U for UFO. UFO. Our next alphabet is V. V for viper. VIPER viper. These are more example of alphabet V. Our first example of alphabet V. V for vacuum. VACWM vacuum. Next is V for violin. VIOLIN violin. Next is V for van. VAN van. Our next word is W. W for whale. WHALE whale. These are more example of alphabet W. Let's see it. Our first example of alphabet W. Wristwatch. W for wristwatch. WRIST wrist. WATCH watch. Wristwatch. In this row, first is W for window. WINDOW window. Next is W for watermelon. WATERMELON watermelon. In this row, first is W for wheelchair. WHEELCHAIR wheelchair. And last is W for wallet. WALLET wallet. Our next word is X for xyphus. XIPHIAS xyphus. This is our next word. Y for yak. YAK yak. Our next and last word Z. Z for zebra. ZEBRA zebra. और यहाँ हम अपने सभी अल्फाबेट्स को एक बार रिपीट कर लेते हैं. तो चलो बच्चों, एक बार रीड करो आप सब मेरे साथ. In this row, A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. In this row, E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for horse. In this row, I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. In this row, N for next. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queue. In this row, R for rose. S for strawberry. T for top. U for umbrella. V for violin. And our last row, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. तो चलो बच्चों, मेरे साथ एक बार फिर से रिपीट करो. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. तो बच्चों, कैसी लगी आपको आज की ये क्लास? हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं. और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी ज़रूर शेयर करें ताकि वो भी घर पर बैठकर ही अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर सकें. तो बच्चों, मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे किसी और वीडियो में किसी और टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा. बाय.